สวัสดีค่ะ Hi everyone. Today let's make ยำปลากระป๋อง or Thai style canned sardine in tomato sauce. This recipe is for 2 persons. Full recipe will be listed in the description box below. Before we proceed with the video, give this video a like, share and subscribe to show your support. You can follow our work on YouTube and Facebook. Let's take a look at our ingredients. We have lime juice, fish sauce, MSG, chilies, coriander, sliced shallots, and canned sardine. The quantity of these 3 are up to your liking, so add or reduce according to your preference. Let's make our dressing by combining the ingredients. The MSG is optional. If you don't mind it, you want to put this in, stir well until it dissolves. And this is the final product of our dressing. Now it's time to drench it all over our sardine. Try out this recipe if you want to elevate the flavors of your canned sardine and take it to another level. This recipe is suitable for the whole family because it's not spicy and anyone can have it. This Thai style canned sardine is perfect if you're in a rush or you just need a quick dinner. It's perfect for any occasion. So let's give this a taste test. What I like about this personally is that you can take your old plain boring canned sardine and make it into this fancier dish. That burst of flavors. Wow. Like I said, plain old canned sardine into this. See you next time with a new Thai recipe video. Bye bye!